Billions move through crypto markets every day. Prices double, then crash, sometimes within hours. Most people panic. They chase, they lose. But what if the price movement wasn't random? That's what this lesson is about. Everything starts with demand and supply. More buyers than sellers, price rises. More sellers than buyers, price falls. Five forces shift that balance constantly. First one, scarcity. Bitcoin will never exceed 21 million coins. That limit is written in code. Fixed supply plus growing demand means price has only one way to move. When something is scarce and people want more of it, value builds. Scarcity doesn't guarantee value, but it creates the conditions for it. First two, utility. Why do people actually want a cryptocurrency? Payments, smart contracts, decentralized finance, real world use drives real demand. The broader a cryptocurrency's use, the more people need it, and the more demand is sustained over time. For three, sentiment. Not every price move is logical. A significant portion, especially short term, is driven entirely by how people feel. One positive headline triggers a wave of buying, one bad headline triggers panic selling. Neither is always rational, but both move markets hard and fast. Confusing short term price movement with long term value is one of the most expensive mistakes in crypto. Know the difference. First, four, regulation. When governments signal support, markets respond with confidence. When they restrict or ban, demand drops sharply and quickly. Force 5, whales. Large investors holding massive amount can move market the moment they buy or sell. You won't predict them, but you won't be blindsided either. So crypto prices are not random. They are the result of demand and supply, pushed and pulled by scarcity, utility, sentiment, regulations, and whales. When you understand these forces, something shifts. You stop reacting to price, you start reading it. And that separates informed decision from panic driven ones. Next lesson, coins, tokens, and stable coins. What each one is and what it actually does. Subscribe so you don't miss it. This content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial, investment, or legal advice. Crypto investment carries significant risks, so always do your own research and consult a qualified advisor before making decisions.